Karofi KAE-S86. Purifier doubles efficiency. Triples hydro-ion minerals. Heats rapidly. Cools deeply. The impressive highlight of the KAE-S86 is the hydro-ion electrolysis technology with ultra-durable titanium-coated electrodes. Combined with a modern diaphragm, helping double electrolysis efficiency and increase hydro-ion alkaline content threefold in water. Hydro-ion technology features a transparent core design, allowing users to directly observe. KAE-S86, with the ability to generate water containing nitio-alkaline ions 3 times higher than usual, will have remarkable effects in improving digestion, boosting immunity while maintaining a balanced figure and youthful skin. Designed with 2 taps and 3 convenient water modes, easy and convenient water access with just 1 step. Ionized alkaline water beautifies skin. Hot water up to 95 degrees C. Make tea, cook noodles and milk. Cold ionized alkaline water, deeply chilled to 8 degrees, clarifies stones. Behind the exquisite appearance is a modern 12-core filtration system, capable of generating excellent quality water. The Smax Provin raw core doubles efficiency, doubles the lifespan, saving up to 5% of the total cost of core replacement. Mangru, made in the USA, filters 20 liters hourly, recovering 60% purified water. Removal of contaminants. With HP 6.2 functional cores, adding minerals and alkaline hydrogens. Sterile original structure, easy to replace. Enhances with alkaline hydrogen cores, supports antioxidant, beautifies skin. Filtered water meets PCPN 6.1 standards, certified by Health Institute. Feels secure with smart Teotech technology that monitors water via phone. KAE-S86, featuring a modern and sophisticated design with luxurious tempered glass, will be the perfect finishing touch, elevating your family's living space. Simple codes right on the device. Karofi offers a warranty up to 36 months along with professional services.